Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are worried about losing your contacts on your phone, backing them up is very important. Today I will show you how to back up contacts on Android properly using your Google account. This method keeps your contacts safe even if your phone is lost, reset, or changed. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll down again and look for Google Contact Sync. Tap on it. Here, tap on Sync. Make sure Google Contact Sync is turned on. This step backs up all contacts saved to your Google account. These contacts will automatically restore when you sign in on a new phone. Now go back to the previous screen. Here, tap on Also Sync Device and SIM Contacts. This step is very important. Many users save contacts on SIM or phone storage without realizing it. Turn on Sync for SIM contacts. This will copy your SIM contacts to your Google account. Once enabled, all your device and SIM contacts will be backed up safely. You do not need to do this again unless you turn it off manually. Now your contacts are protected and can be accessed anytime using your Google account. This helps when changing phones, resetting your device, or recovering lost data. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips and fixes.